Hi everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about how to find next element in a linked list. So the input for this operation will be the list in which we are going to search for the next element, and the element for whom we are going to look for the next element. So for example, if we are given a list with 5 elements like this, and if the element is 21, then our code should return 30. This is what is expected, right? And if I am giving 10, it should return 15. If I am giving 30, there is no next element for this, so it should indicate the failure to the callee function, and we can return some dummy value like -1. And also if I am giving a value which is not at all present in the list, for example if I am giving 35, 35 is not at all present in the list, so it will not have a next element. In that case also we should indicate the failure to the callee function and return -1. This is how our code should work. So let us try to picturize how we can do this. Let us have the temporary pointer and let it point to the first node of the linked list. And what I am going to do is basically, if the element is 21, I will check whether the data part of the temp and 21 are equal. If both of them are equal, I will do something, but it is not equal. Okay, so in that case I will be moving to the next node. I will be checking whether 15 is equal to 21, no. 7 is equal to 21, no. I will come here, 21 is equal to 21. In that case what I will do is, I will return the data part of the next node. How I can access that? Temp next data, right? So I will be telling return temp next data. This is the idea behind the algorithm. And how far should I go? I can go up to the last node, right? When I reach the last node, I should stop the entire processing, right? I should not proceed or do anything. I will stop with the last node. This is the when my temporary pointer reach the last node, I should stop the things. Okay, so let us formally write the algorithm. Input is the list and the element for which we are going to find the next value. If the list is empty, then you indicate failure to the callee function and return -1. Otherwise, create a temporary pointer and make it to point to the first node. And you have to traverse till the last node. How we will know the last node is when the next part of the temp is not equal to null, right? When your temp next part is not equal to null, then you can understand you are not in the last node. In that case, repeat the step number 5 and 6. In 5, what we are doing is, we are checking whether the data part of the next node of temp is equal to the element. In that case, you will be returning the data part of the, you will be checking here if data part of the temp is equal to the element, then you will be returning the data part of the next node. Otherwise, you will be moving the temp to the next node. If you are out of the loop, then you can understand that you haven't found the element, right? In that case, you will return -1 and indicate the failure to the callee function. So let us implement this in C++. So the first thing that we have to do is, we have to declare the global error flag, right? So let us tell bool next error flag. Let me call this as next error flag and equal to false, initialize to false, and declare the member function inside, right? Okay, so you will be passing the element for which you are going to find the next value and return the next value. So both are int, and let us define the function. So you tell int and list. Okay, next you can tell, and I'll be passing the element. Okay, first thing that we have to do is, we have to check whether the list is empty. If the list is empty, then what we are going to do, we are going to set the error flag and we are going to return -1. Okay, and reset the error flag in the beginning of the function. Next error flag equal to false. Okay, right. And if the list is not empty, then we have to have a pointer, that is temporary pointer. Let us declare it and initialize the temporary pointer to the first node. So I can tell temp equal to head, right? And I will be loop till the last node. So while temp next not equal to null, right? So I'll be checking if data part of the temporary node, okay, if data part of the temporary node is equal to the element what I am looking for, then I should return the data part of the next node of temp, right? Okay, temp next data, and otherwise I'll be just moving to the next node, right? So I can tell temp equal to temp next, and if I am out of the loop, then we are sure that the data couldn't be found. So you can set the error flag and you will be returning -1, right? Hope this function is implemented fine. Now we have to do the changes in the main. Let me next of, let me tell 2, right? Fine, okay, I think it's done. Just try compiling the code. Yes, okay. So what I have given us, I am trying to find the next value of 2. See, the list contains 2, 10, 1, 5, so it is printing 10. Good. Next I'll be checking for 1, right? What is the next value of 1? What should it print? It should print, okay, somehow it is getting changed. Yeah, let us check what is happening, because actually it should be 10. I think I have changed here in the insert function. That's my mistake. I have to change here, right? Right. Okay, so 2, 10, 1, 5. I am trying to find the next value of 1. So it is printing us 5. Okay. Now let me try to find the next value of 5. Failure. There is no next value for 5. Okay. And let us try to find the next value of 50. Not at all present. 5 is present but at the last position, so it doesn't have the next value. But when I try to find 50, there is not at all present in the list. In that case also it should return me failure. Okay. So the code will be shared and you can refer. Thank you.